Do you really believe na nakakasira ng friendship ang utang? You're just in time for another story time. Meron kasi akong friend na kinot off ko kasi ang tagal niya talaga magbayad ng utang sa akin. Well, nagbayad naman pala, ba't mo kailangan i-cut off? The point is, nangutang ka, you pay on time. I would feel na hindi mo nire-respect yung agreement natin. Kaya yung iba nangungutang sa credit cards or sa banks, pero what if freelancer ka? Meron ako marirecommend sa inyo kasi a few years ago, nalaman ko tong app na to. This app is called Belize. It's a buy now, pay later app na pwede kang mag-buy now and pay later at 10,000 plus merchants. To name a few, merong Kim Store, Mandawi Foam, Ansons, and even PowerMac. Tapos kung travel naman, meron din buy now, pay later sa PAL and Agoda. Kahit wala kayong credit card na ginagamit, tumataas pa rin yung credit score nyo. Syempre, kailangan responsible pa rin kayo sa pagbabayad, unlike my ex-friend. Pero don't get me wrong ha, hindi ko sinasabing mag-loan kayo ng mag-loan kung hindi nyo kayang bayaran. I am telling you, loan responsibly. Resolve na yung utang problem, tumaas na yung credit score mo, wala pang nasirang friendship. Pero what do you think?